Welcome guys to another video with teacher Satya. Now in this video you guys will be learning on how to find the unknown length of these two triangles using the cosine property. Alright, now let's get to it. Also, first of all, let's write down the formula of finding cosine theta. So cosine theta is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, right? Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Now let's get to it, guys. So we have cosine of 26 degrees is equal to the adjacent side will be A, right? Over the hypotenuse will be 40, right guys? Now if you don't know how to find the adjacent and the hypotenuse, think about it this way, right? The hypotenuse will always be opposite to the right angle. The opposite side of the angle will be exactly opposite. Therefore, that just leaves us with one side, right? And that side will be our adjacent. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now, let's multiply both sides with 40, guys. So we have cos 26 degrees multiplied with 40 will give us the value of A. All right, guys. So let's use the help of a calculator. So we have cosine of 26 degrees is approximately 0.89. So right, let's write it down as 0.89 multiplied by 40 will give us the value of A, right guys? So let's take 0.89 multiplied with 40 will give us 35.6 approximately, right guys? So the value of A is equal to 35.6 centimeter. All right guys, really simple, isn't it? Now if you're enjoying the video till now, guys, I will really appreciate it if you hit on that like button and consider subscribing, guys, so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. All right, now let's get to question number 2. Now similarly like question number 1, we are going to start off with writing the formula down. So cosine of theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, right? So what we have here, guys, so cosine of 15 degrees is equal to adjacent is 14.6 over y. Alright guys, now in this case do not panic just because you see the unknown variable in the denominator. What we got to do now is, guys, we are going to transpose y to the other side. So cosine of 15 degrees multiplied with our y will give us 14.6. Alright guys, now let's go to the next step. So what we have here, we have y is equal to 14.6 over cosine of 15 degrees. All right, so let's use the help of a calculator, find what is cosine of 15 degrees, right? So cosine of 15 degrees will give us 0.96, right? So let's have y is equal to 14.6 over 0.96, which is equal to, let's use the help of a calculator again. So 14.6 divided by 0.96 is approximately 15.20, right? So the value of y, guys, will be approximately 15.20 centimeter. All right guys, and that is how we would find the length of the missing angle using the cosine property. All right, now I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, do not forget to hit on the like button and comment below, guys, if you want me to do any specific video. All right, now until next time, guys, have a nice day.